hands. Hey. Get on the ground.
Hey.
What are you doing? Show me your hands! Hey, show me your hands! Hey, show me your fucking hands!
Hey.
Get on the ground!
Hey.
Get on the ground!
Hey. I'm on the ground. I'm on the ground, man. I'm on the ground, man.
Hey, let me go! Let me go!
Turn around!
Hey!
Turn around! Turn around! You're gonna get tased! Turn around or you're gonna get tased! Get your hands out! Get your hands out! Let go of me! Let go of me right now! I will tase you right now! Let go of me right now! Let go of me right now! Dude, let go of me right now! Chill out, bro! Okay, guys, work together! Get one off!
I got
I'm not
legs.
going anywhere, dude. Let
got
go of
legs.
me, okay?
We're
Turn
not
his legs going anywhere. Everybody to the left.
No.
To the right, to the right, to the right.
No.
Let go!
No.
Let go right now. Let go! Let go of my car. Let go. Hang on, let's get it. Can you put your forehead, please? Alright. I'm good. I'm good. I'm just trying to get control of his arm. Control that other arm, please. Yeah. Dude, if you don't fucking stop, give me your hands! Stop resisting!
Stop.
Stop resisting. Sorry, you're good. Hang on one second.
I'm trying to.
Yep. Let go of my hand. Stop. All right, I got one more. Hang on. Do not give up that other hand. You come some there.
You got it? You got it?
You
You have it. Put your hand behind your back, dude. Stop.
Ready? Do not bury that hand.
Still fighting.
Darn.
Let go of my... Hold his cuff. Hold the cuff.
Right here.
In the cars! We got him cuffed! We got him cuffed! Let go of my shirt! Let go of my shirt!
I'm not gonna let off this.
He's gonna keep fighting.
I got him. I'm not letting off.
What do you guys got? Okay. What do you guys got?
We don't even know what we have. He just...
So we don't know what we have yet.
No, that's fine.
Stop.
What do you
Okay,
guys
gotcha.
need grabbed? What do you guys need grabbed?
Hey, dude! Relax! You are in cuffs. I need you to stand up. Got it?
As long as we can get him to run.
Why are you freaking out?
Okay, but he's just freaking out right now. I don't want to let off.
What is your name?
I don't know what we have yet. When I came up here.
Dude, what is your
figured
name?
out if we have a good Cadillac. He was here. He tried to run out. Put him at gunpoint. He tried to grab me. The whole time we were fighting.
We have not searched anything. We've not been able, but his pants pretty much fell down.
All the arms. He was
He's gonna fight.
I got it. Trying to grab us.
Come on, dude. We need to be able to
you
search.
okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm good. Sorry.
Alright, I'm gonna. Yeah. Relax. Okay, you're good. Relax. Just go and stand him up.
Hey, wake up. Place me in a recovery position.
Let's talk to his son.
Side. Lights up.
I don't know. I just got here.
Was he tased? I don't know.